Footsteps in the neon light, shadows dancing out of sight. Feel the rhythm take control, running through your heart and soul. Every beat begins to rise, like a spark across the sky. We are echoes in the night, burning fast, electric light. Through the dark we come alive. Feel the pulse, feel the drive. We are echoes in the night, burning fast, electric light. Through the dark we come alive. Feel the pulse, feel the drive. Feel the drive. Feel the soul spinning round. Through the dark we go down. Flashing lights and city haze, lost inside this endless maze. Every move in perfect time, bodies moving to the right. Feel the rhythm take control, running through your heart and soul. Every beat begins to rise, like a spark across the sky. We are echoes in the night, burning fast, electric light. Through the dark we come alive. Feel the pulse, feel the drive. We are echoes in the night, burning fast, electric light. Through the dark we come alive. Feel the pulse, feel the drive. Feel the drive. When the silence starts to fall, hear the distant rhythm call. Let it lift you off the ground, where the secret beats are found. We are echoes in the night, burning fast, electric light. Through the dark we come alive. Feel the pulse, feel the drive. I've been running through the night, chasing echoes, chasing light. Every road I walked alone led me closer back to home. Through the silence, through the rain, through the loss and through the pain, I can feel it in my soul, something calling me back home. I'm finding my way back to you. Through the dark I'm breaking through. Every step my heart has known. I was never far from home. City shadows fade to gray. Memories don't drift away. Every mile, every turn taught me what my heart must learn. Through the silence, through the rain, through the loss and through the pain, I can feel it in my soul, something calling me back home. I'm finding my way back to you. Through the dark I'm breaking through. Every step my heart has known. I was never far from home. I've been walking through the fire, lost in shadows, climbing higher. Every scar is a piece of me. Every fall sets my soul free. I've been broken, I've been torn, fighting battles, weathered storms, but I feel a spark inside, a diamond heart I cannot hide, shining through the dark. I'm alive, rising from the pain. I survive, even when the world tears apart. I'm unbroken, with a diamond heart. Echoes whisper in the night, pull me down, but I'll fight. Chains may bind, but I'll break through. Every step I become new. I've been broken, I've been torn, fighting battles, weathered storms, but I feel a spark inside, a diamond heart I cannot hide, shining through the dark. I'm alive, rising from the pain. I survive, even when the world tears apart. I'm unbroken, and echoes start to call. Fading lights, I close my eyes, drifting where the dark sky flies. Hold me closer, don't let go in this quiet undertow where the stars begin to gleam. Carry me into a dream. Take me where the night runs deep. Whisper secrets I can keep. Wrap me in your silent sweep and sing my restless heart. Soft reflections on your face. Breathing slow, the world fades out, lost in what this night's about. Feel the rhythm of the sky, of the daylight passes by, floating on this velvet stream, falling deeper in the dream. Take me where the night runs deep. Whisper secrets I can keep. Wrap me in your silent sweep and sing my restless heart. When the morning starts to rise and the light returns our eyes, will this feeling still remain or dissolve like gentle Take me where the night runs deep. Whisper secrets I can keep. Wrap me in your silent sweep and sing my restless heart to sleep. Let me creep in the dark where we can be. Just a dream, just a dream. Set me free in the dark where we can be. Just a dream, just a dream. We were shadows in the rain, silent hearts that felt the pain. Flickers in the dark unknown, searching for a spark to own. Feel it rising from inside. No more places left to hide. Hear the thunder in our veins, breaking free from all the chains. We ignite, we come alive, burning brighter through the night. No more fear. look within, you'll see the light waiting there to burn.